Hi, I'm Judy Isom, Global Education Ambassador for Watercolors Hair Care. Today is all about Wave-layage. We're going to show you a great instructional video for our new product, Wave-layage. So we prepped her hair by shampooing it first with Remove All Plus shampoo. On our model Jamie today, we decided to do a root smudge simultaneous with our Wave-layage application. I'm working to apply a root smudge in the normal fashion. I could also do an entire root touch-up. Now that my root application is complete, I'm going to section the hair. I'm dividing the hair into sections according to its density. This will allow for even wave results and faster wrapping. Generally, most hair types will take between 9 and 15 sections. I'm twisting the sections to separate them from each other. You will notice that the sections in the rear are slightly more narrow than the sections on the side. That's because Jamie's hair is less dense on the sides and thinner in her hairline than it is in the back. Empty the A tube into the Wave-layage Part B mixing tub and use the wave brush to mix well. Pull the hair away from the head and paint the wave lotion onto the hair as you would a balayage. Remember to only paint the lotion on the hair you want waved. Hold the hair out, lay it across the waver, and begin winding it in a spiral manner. When all the hair is wound, bend each end of the waver inward to secure. Begin your test curl by slowly unwinding one of the wavers. We're looking for an S formation, ribboning of the hair, and true to rod size. This one looks great. Let's rewrap the waver and get her rinsed. It's important to get as much water out of the hair as possible. So we'll blot the hair until it's dry to the touch. To protect Jamie from any solutions that might drip, we're putting some cotton around her hairline. Here's where we change things up and introduce the Functional Keratin Serum. The secret to FKS is more available cysteine, which aids in rebuilding the bonds. Apply the FKS to the hair on the wavers. Make sure to saturate the hair on the wavers well. Apply any remaining FKS to the rest of the hair. As we neutralize the hair, we can also simultaneously tone the hair color. We'll do this by adding 1 ounce of Watercolors BB Demi-Color to the neutralizer, replacing the lid, and then shake gently to mix. We're able to do this because Watercolors BB Demi-Color is ammonia-free. Thanks for joining us. We want to see your results. Go out there, try the product, and show us your results at Watercolors Hair on Instagram. Remember to hashtag us at Wave-layage.